Hey, welcome back to the program. Thank you for joining me as always. Subscribe if you haven't already, please. Like the video, ring the bell, tell your friends and family. I appreciate the support trying to build up this channel. It takes a long time. I'm getting some great feedback on how to improve the channel, and I'll implement those changes hopefully soon. I like to keep this as mostly an audio podcast so you don't have to sit in front of a screen to listen to it. And I try to prompt you as I'm talking if there's something on the screen to look at. I'd like you to be able to listen to this in your car, at the gym, wherever you are, without having to look at the screen. So that's kind of the thinking there. Anyway, real quick, I want to check in on some jobs data we received today. ADP employment report for the month of November. This is a private check writing company. Non-farm payroll employment change down 32,000 in November, worse than expected, looking for up 5K, and worse than the prior month, which was up 47,000. So not a good number. Helps out the Doves looking for a Fed rate cut on December 10th. Remember, the Fed has a two-day meeting, 9th and 10th. This will add ammunition to those looking for a cut and certainly support the notion that the labor market is weakening. There's certainly going to be some evidence there. Typically, we would get the employment situation report for November on this Friday. I haven't seen it on the calendar. Let's hope they get something out to confirm whether or not this is real, but nonetheless, helping the Doves at the Fed and those supporting the Fed rate cut. Real quick look at markets. S&P 500 rallied off the news this morning after the open from 68.22 up to 68.62. So nice rally on the expectations of a Fed rate cut coming, and this adding ammunition to that. U.S. 10-year Treasury sold off, not surprisingly, on the back of that, coming from 4.08 down to 4.06, closing just above 4.06 at 4.063. Again, not surprising as interest rates are expected to be cut. Then checking foreign exchange, dollar sold off on this. Remember, interest rates are a driving force for exchange rates. Looking at just dollar yen, we can see dollar sold off from the 155.50 level to a low of 155.23, finishing the day at 155.22. So not a lot of movement, but again, in line with what typically happens, looking for lower rates, sell dollars, buy other currencies. Anyway, a little check-in on the jobs outlook. This adds ammunition to help the Fed decide to cut rates, and they're meeting the 9th and the 10th, announcement on the 10th. Looking for 25 basis point cut in the federal funds rate. I oppose this move, but that seems to be what we're going to see. And this data confirms that a little bit. All right, that's all I have for you right now. Always try to buy American.